GHG Validation and Verification by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. As organizations around the world work towards sustainability, climate action and net zero commitments, the need for accurate and credible greenhouse gas reporting has never been greater. Governments, investors, consumers, financial institutions, and regulatory authorities increasingly expect organizations to disclose their greenhouse gas emissions transparently and reliably. However, simply reporting emissions is not enough. Organizations must ensure that their reported data is accurate, complete, and independently verified. This is where GHG validation and verification plays a vital role. In today's video, we will discuss what is GHG validation and verification, why it is important, benefits to organizations, applicable international standards, validation and verification process, industries that require these services, why choose URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Let us begin. Understanding greenhouse gas emissions. Greenhouse gases are gases that trap heat in the atmosphere and contribute to climate change. The major greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs, perfluorocarbons, PFCs, sulfur hexafluoride, SF6. These emissions originate from industrial activities, transportation, electricity generation, manufacturing processes, waste management, agriculture, and many other sectors. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions has become a global priority. What is GHG validation? Validation is an independent assessment conducted before or during implementation of a project or emission reduction program. It confirms whether planned greenhouse gas reduction activities meet the specified criteria and are capable of achieving the intended environmental objectives. Validation provides confidence to stakeholders that climate-related projects are designed appropriately. What is GHG verification? Verification is an independent assessment of reported greenhouse gas emissions or emission reductions. It confirms that the reported information is accurate, reliable, complete, and prepared according to recognized standards. Verification increases confidence in sustainability reports and carbon disclosures. Why is GHG validation and verification important? Organizations are expected to demonstrate environmental responsibility. Independent validation and verification help improve credibility, increase stakeholder confidence, support ESG reporting, enhance investor trust, meet customer requirements, support carbon neutrality goals, improve transparency, reduce reporting risks, support regulatory compliance, strengthen corporate reputation. Applicable standards. GHG validation and verification are commonly performed according to internationally recognized standards such as ISO 14064 Part 1, ISO 14064 Part 2, ISO 14064 Part 3, ISO 14065, ISO 17029. These standards provide globally accepted frameworks for quantifying, monitoring, validating, and verifying greenhouse gas emissions. Scope of GHG verification. Verification generally includes organizational GHG inventory, direct emissions, indirect emissions, energy consumption, fuel consumption, electricity usage, emission factors, calculation methodology, data collection process, monitoring system, reporting procedures, supporting records, internal controls, management review, documentation. Types of greenhouse gas emissions. The Greenhouse Gas Protocol categorizes emissions into three scopes. Scope 1, direct emissions from owned or controlled sources. Examples include boilers, generators, company vehicles, industrial processes, furnaces. Scope 2, indirect emissions from purchased electricity, steam, heating, or cooling. These emissions occur at the energy supplied facility but are attributed to the organization using the energy. Scope 3, indirect emissions occurring across the value chain. Examples include business travel, purchased goods, employee commuting, transportation, waste disposal, supplier activities, product use, Scope 3 often represents the largest share of an organization's carbon footprint. Validation and verification process. The process generally includes application review, planning, document review, data verification, site assessment, interviews, sampling, evidence collection, technical evaluation, reporting, independent review, final statement. The objective is to provide confidence that reported emissions accurately reflect organizational activities. Benefits for organizations. Organizations that undergo GHG validation and verification benefit through improved ESG performance, enhanced corporate image, greater investor confidence, regulatory readiness, reliable sustainability reporting, improved environmental performance, better energy management, reduced carbon footprint, support for net zero strategies, competitive advantage, improved stakeholder confidence, better business opportunities. Industries that require GHG verification. Almost every sector today is expected to measure and report greenhouse gas emissions. These include manufacturing, automotive, steel, cement, power generation, oil and gas, chemical industries, pharmaceuticals, food processing, mining, construction, infrastructure, logistics, shipping, airlines, textile, paper, electronics, data centers, renewable energy, commercial buildings, government organizations, educational institutions, healthcare. Why independent verification matters? Independent verification provides assurance that emission reports are accurate, transparent, reliable, consistent, complete, free from material errors. This increases confidence among investors, regulators, customers, financial institutions, and other stakeholders. Why choose URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited? URGS provides professional GHG validation and verification support through experienced environmental and sustainability professionals. Our services include GHG inventory assessment, emission data review, verification planning, documentation review, site verification, evidence evaluation, technical reporting, gap assessment, improvement recommendations, support for sustainability reporting, support for ESG initiatives, professional guidance throughout the verification process. Who should use these services? Our services are suitable for manufacturing industries, power utilities, oil and gas companies, infrastructure projects, construction companies, corporate organizations, exporters, large enterprises, MSMEs, government organizations, renewable energy projects, organizations pursuing ESG reporting, companies working toward net zero, organizations seeking carbon neutrality. Now, why organizations trust URGS International? Professional team, experienced environmental experts, customer focused approach, international best practices, reliable technical support, timely project execution, comprehensive reports, commitment to quality and integrity. At last, conclusion. Climate change is one of the most significant global challenges of our time. Organizations that accurately measure, validate, and verify their greenhouse gas emissions demonstrate leadership, transparency, and environmental responsibility. GHG validation and verification not only improve the credibility of sustainability reporting but also support better decision making, stronger ESG performance, and long-term business resilience. Whether your organization is beginning its sustainability journey or advancing toward net zero, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is ready to support you with professional GHG validation and verification services. Contact us, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on sustainability, ESG, ISO standards, carbon management, environmental compliance, certification, inspection and industrial best practices. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to partnering with your organization on its journey toward credible greenhouse gas reporting and a more sustainable future.